If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I know say you go shock because I sit down like who wan read 10 o'clock news. The reason na because of say na small matter. Today we don decide say as e dey hot go be as e dey hot. We go throw the telephone lines open immediately after I talk my name, make everybody dey chook mouth for inside the matter. Remember say na on top of the chairman television station na you tanda on top Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the ogbonge program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body as e dey hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11, we dey carry topic wey dey comot smoke, make everybody dey chook mouth for inside the matter to take reason am as e take concern you and me and everybody inside this our obodo Nigeria. My name na Ezogo Chokwuode. E go shock una say I no go try and give my brother when they usually dey inside studio with me because of say something we wan discuss this matter. We go throw the phone lines open. Yesterday for United Kingdom, this our PDP APC discussion. The thing assume people go talk say he assumed a new dimension. Why? The presidential candidate of the APC, General Muhammadu Buhari, retired. He didn't go for Chatham House. I go take him with slow motion. Chatham House for inside the United Kingdom to go address them, to go talk some kind of things as he concern Nigeria as he dey hot, and they go ask some different questions from left and right. And a very important thing, but no be there the matter end. Outside for the front, some people come out. They come out carry a picture of Oga Buhari and also in vice presidential candidate Professor Yemi Osinbajo. They begin to sing up Buhari, up Buhari. He be like saying that there he go end. Another people come out, can't give them counter attack. Begin to shout up Jonah, up Jonah. He reach the hotness when we say now even Oyibo police come enter their middle, begin to separate them, say it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Make una no fight, make una no fight, make una no fight. Now the question we want ask today, now as Nigerians, shey this matter wey happen na because of the love wey they get for Nigeria. Now it make them go UK, go carry APC, PDP matter, enter main road. Abi some of them not collect some kind of things, put for pocket, come out, come want do business as usual. We go through our phone lines open, make una begin to chook mouth on top of this matter immediately, so that we go know as the matter dey hot. We get one ogbonge guest when they inside studio, and he go join us very, very soon to chook mouth for inside this matter. I go take Joy. Joy, they call us from Owerri. Joy, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Joy.
Chukwude, how you dey?
I dey fine, oh.
I dey enjoy your story, I dey enjoy am, no be small.
Thank you, Joy. I beg chook mouth for this matter, so.
Yes, so for our side here, for Owerri here, we know see, even as I reach there na Hausa name where they see, we no see my own, we never see them, even Abanikoku students, all of them were registered, they never see their PVC. So we're here.
You don't try go local government or other places, go check.
We don't go. They tell us where we go check. We don't go all those places. We don't see any of our names. We don't see them.
Una no see una name at all.
At all. No, we don't see them. Even the place where they ask us to go, the local government, even one place where they ask us to go, we go that side. We don't see our names.
This one a serious matter. Joy, you know what I go tell you? I go just tell you, say, as person when we say believe, say this country must move forward, and you don't ready to vote, not tire. Now still March 8th. Still go out, they find, they ask questions, they ask people. We on top of Wazobia TV as the hot, we go do our best to they shout them out, make everybody hear. Even Professor Atahiru Jega go hear this Owerri matter. No worry, we do on top of the discussion.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't hear from Joy. Joy, they call us from Owerri. And she don't chook mouth on top of the matter to talk, say, she never collects her PVC. This one too, na indication, say, just like what happened for UK yesterday, where we say Nigerians come out, they holler, up Jonah. Other people, they say, up Buhari. Everybody for this country don't dey the level of political consciousness when we say everybody want chook hand to vote, make this country move forward. I go take this call. Abdul, they call from Kaduna. Oga Abdul, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Abdul. I beg chook mouth for this matter.
When could be no you I want see, now who could be face I want see.
Who could be there around? But you chook mouth for this matter first.
Okay, I want chook matter. What I want you to say, we happened yesterday. Maybe smart, you know.
Continue. What do you think of this matter when happened yesterday?
As the boys come now, the boys pay them pay money, and they show there. They ask them now. They say, "Oh God, now God, Jonah issue them." Hello?
I dey hear you.
Say now, God, Jonah issue them money. They can't do that thing where they do that protest where they do for that place, and it don't make sense.
Abdul, this one where you talk, we know say people don't talk am, but somehow, they never fit substantiate the claim. Although we don't see one letter when they write, when they talk, say they pay them $20,000. But until proof day, now they say this one an allegation.
Well, God, you know they see, check your phone, I will see your phone. They ask the people where they there. They ask them, they say they pay them, they do that thing. You see, so you know makes sense this thing now. See this peace accord where they do for Abuja. What did they want cause? At least we where they support Buhari for here. What did they want to do? We go start the gate too now. It don't make sense.
Oga Abdul, I understand what you they talk. Oga Abdul, they try to emphasize on the fact say
issue days. This thing where they do, it don't make sense. Serious, it don't make sense.
I understand you, Oga Abdul. I beg, just take them easy. Remember, I say we on top of Wazobia TV and I see the hot with the pledge peace. And General Muhammadu Buhari and Oga Jonah and all the people when they contest to be president, they don't chook hand inside paper say peace go there and wahala no go there for this election when they come. So we go want make you tell your friends, make una continue for that level of say peace go happen for this our country, make wahala no dey. We go take Samuel. Samuel they call us from Abuja. Oga Samuel, good morning. Oga Samuel, you there? Oga Samuel, good morning, sir. We dey hear you. Yes, it be like say network for Abuja, they shake somehow. I say, I know they hear wetin Oga Samuel they talk. Now, according to wetin Abdul talk, some kind news people been they ask the people when we say they be pro-GEJ. Pro-GEJ na people when we say they support Oga GEJ for that protest yesterday for front of Chatham House. Some of them no want answer. I know go to say they no fit answer. They don't want answer. As they be like say they talk say, make you not ask me that question. I know why I come here. But from the inscription, when there's some of their shirts, inscription are waiting their rights on top of their shirt, are waiting there on top of their placard. They say no. Say they don't want tyrants. They don't want despots. Tyrant and despot na person when we say he get too much power. You know, they obey law. They rule anyhow. And other people, when they the other side, they say, nah, lie. Say, Nigeria don't reach the level when we say, we need person when we can't change this country. Make a year waiting gift. When they call us from Lagos, get to talk for this matter. Gift, good morning. Gift, I beg, give us better gift this morning with the contribution we will make. I hear you gift.
Good morning.
Good morning, gift. I beg, reduce the volume of your television, make I hear you well.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah, I beg, chook mouth for this matter.
And the only thing I have to put is inside this. Hello?
I hear you, gift.
Okay, the only thing I have to put inside is that.
Gift. Well, we go tell our people when they for house, say, before una call us, I beg, make una try reduce the volume of una television so that we go fit hear you and you self go fit talk the full Nigeria go hear wetin you dey talk. Sharon, they call us from Abuja. Sharon, good morning. Good morning, Sharon.
Good morning.
I dey hear you, Sharon. I beg, chook mouth for this matter.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Sharon.
Yeah,
I dey hear you.
I'm calling from Abuja.
Yes, Sharon, I beg, chook mouth for this matter.
All those people where they're there outside there, they do that call.
Carry go, we dey hear.
And you see when I want to talk for this.
I dey hear you, Sharon. Reduce the volume of your television. Continue. You dey make sense.
All those APC people and PDP people where they go do those campaigns for outside there.
Yes, I dey hear you. Sharon won't make plenty strong points, but it be like say network they shake somehow. I dey very sure say wetin Sharon won't talk now say make we no come carry this our stubborn behavior or our agidi according to wetin Yoruba people dey call am enter another man country make dem no begin dey think say we too stubborn. Abdul dey call us from Mina. Oga Abdul, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Abdul. I dey hear you. Abeg, raise your voice.
Chukudi, how far now?
Good morning, Oga Abdul. I dey hear you.
I think my own matter is those people shall, I not even, in fact, okay, I'll call, excuse me.
Okay. It be like say the matter the way Abdul for in mind. He won't talk go this way, he won't talk go that way. He don't know the way when the thing go be, the thing come pay now. Make una remember say today na Friday, the last day of the week as it take concern as it dey hot. And from Monday we don dey discuss some kind very very strong topic come. If you get opportunity to call us and you want chook mouth on top of any of what we don't discuss, no problem. Call and feel free to chook your mouth. Oga Obiora dey call us from Yola. Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Good morning. How are you?
I dey fine. Oga Obiora, every time when you call, your voice is always dey calm. You be chairman, oh.
Now, to see what they tell me, you know, if somebody's brother or sister they mad, that mad person no go dey shame, and brother they shame. We wait in Nigeria, they shame for what APC do for Nigeria. Why APC go carry Nigeria, go abroad, they castigate Nigeria. They paint us red, and they still want to rule us. If today APC will go UK, say the people that Nigeria is bad, our president is bad, this and this is bad, and again, and because of if something stand, another thing will stand behind that one. Because they carry their propaganda go London now. Some people go carry their own to go. Now it made those people come, they protest against Buhari. Why the other one they promote Buhari? So that is a very big shameful thing to Nigeria. Why these our leaders? They are doing things that shows that they are not leader in character. They're supposed to not to go outside and castigate us. So it's a very big shameful thing. Even whether they pay the other people to campaign against Buhari or not, that is not my problem. My problem is, why should they carry this kind of thing, go there? Okay, they want us again to be under London from British now. Nigeria will now go under London. They will be ruling us from London again. Second slavery. So it's a shameful thing, I'm telling you.
Oga Obiora, you don't talk as the team be you for body, but we go like point out something. The person where would they look now, as he take concern in visit, now General Muhammadu Buhari. General Muhammadu Buhari go Chatham House for UK on the invitation. Now they invite and come. Not being just decide say he won't go there. They invite and come. As he can go, he can deliver address. And the title of the paper when he deliver now, Prospects for Democratic Consolidation in Africa, Nigeria's Transition. And from all the things when General Muhammadu Buhari retire talk for UK, he no for once insult anybody. He no say this party bad. He no say this party good. He talk am as he dey hot, as he take concern. Wetin he go do if he become the president of Nigeria to use make Nigeria change? On that note, we go take this call from Abdul. Abdul, they call us from Mina. Okay, Abdul, good morning and welcome back to As He Dey Hot. Okay, Abdul, reduce the volume of your television. Make I hear you well.
Good morning.
Good morning, okay, Abdul. I bet raise your voice. Make we hear you.
Okay, so I want to hear upon the listing where Buhari visited Chatham House in London.
Carry go.
Okay, so you see, for me, the listing is welcome to be and he went there to talk about his own democratic issue and what he has for the country. And so nothing is wrong with that. And also, you know, Chatham House is a pretty honorable people of high integration go and talk on what they have an agenda for themselves. And more also, about the protest, you know, it's a democratic issue, so they have the right to express their freedom also. There's no anything bad with that. And about the prospect, Buhari so far so good. As I know, you know, I'm a young guy now, so I know that Buhari so far so good have a good agenda for Nigeria. All you want to just serve and so that you can better the future. If you can hear what you say, just say for the past have gone, but the present and the future, you know, you can turn the future of Nigeria around. So I don't say anything about this thing of Buhari. Just give me a chance. You know, you are not there when Buhari he was during the 90s, 80s. Even I know if you are there, you are not that kind child. And I know during the military regime, you say that military is all about dictatorship, but this is democracy. You need to work the system under a democratic way, not a way of the dictatorship. As you see, you say, for the dictatorship, I've already taken the blame for whatever they say you have done. But as for this democracy, for the present and the future, is going to be bright for Nigeria. So I think it's a welcome development for General Buhari, and I call on Nigeria once more to use this medium to say on March 28, let them come out and masses and
Oga Abdul, I understand where you come from. But it can't be like, say, as you don't talk, you can't want carry style, talk, go this place. But we know where you come from, and we get your point. And we go try emphasize them again. Say, sometimes, or most times, when people talk, make we look the message, make we leave the messenger. Not be say you go leave the messenger entirely, but check the message as it take effect waiting in the talk and make you address them. And when we go this break, come back. Now, because of saying that me and Nuna, why they use we, unto say now all of us now in this matter concern. When I go this break, come back, I go look some kind of point when we say Oga Buhari talk inside that in address when he give them for Chatham House. Make we open them, look all the matter, because come March 28th for this country and April 11, Nigerians must leave Momo, begin to chop meat. We they come back as idiots. Welcome back to Acid Hot, on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this is the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk acid be you for body. With the carry topic where they come out smoke to come pieces and here on top of this program and give you the license to call, to talk, to chook mouth on top of this matter. We get plenty people when don't talk down for Facebook, and we go there, go check their message, and also on top of Twitter too. Remember, say we did on top of Facebook, go to Wazobia fan page, like them. If you don't like them, do not be selfish. Tell your friends and your family them too, make them like them, so that all our trade when they there, themselves go to see them. And on top of Twitter now at TV Acid Hot. And if you send us an email to our website, acidhot@wazobiatv.tv. Make I take some messages on top of Facebook. Make we see as people they talk about on top of there. We get Ikade Austin, Ebezi Brand Jive. He talk say, Jonah we know, Jonah we trust. He just keep and short, sharp and simple. He know the waste time. Eita yo abisoye oyegoke. He talk say up GBM. He no waste time. Yoni Chiroma talk say, is they wrong to wash your dirty clothes for public? Waiting these people they do no good. Waiting Yoni they try talk, they say, as them go outside this country, go they sing up Jonah, up Buhari, say they're not supposed to do them. Say Nigeria matter, we supposed to discuss them inside Nigeria. But people get freedom to talk what they want to talk and do anything when they want to do. We get Kelechi from Imo. I go still come back to Facebook messages. So, Kelechi, good morning.
Hey, okay.
Kelechi, you don't connect. At the year you have a chukma for this matter.
Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Kelechi.
Yes, sir. From Imo State.
Yes, from Imo State. I bet chukma for this matter. I hear you.
This is what I want to talk for the matter where Buhari go. Yes, sir. But, Madam Buhari went to London to campaign. And she said, you see, that party APC, what their out is to cause trouble. They are the original Boko Haram. We Nigerians should not be blind.
Madam Kelechi, that talk where you talk strong, well, now wait till I go call baseless accusation. You know, if we just conclude, say, now like that, it be. Remember, I say on top of Wazobia TV and on top of Acid Hot, we dey pledge peace. And as we dey pledge peace, any talk where we cause problem for this country, we no go accept them. So for you to come and talk, say, there be this thing, there be that thing, we no go accept them on top of Acid Hot and for Wazobia TV. Yes, Oga Buhari makes some kind of point. For the upteenth time, or what they call it, upteenth time, he still emphasize, say, if he become the president of this country, say corruption go be thing of the past. And people when they corrupt no go dey inside in government. Make I take Hawa. Hawa, they call us from Zamfara. Hawa, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Fine, oh. How are you? Your voice calm down today, oh. You dey always dey fire me, but I happy as your voice cool down.
Today I know on fire you.
I beg, I dey hear you. We pledge peace, no fire me, we dey hear you.
Okay, as I want to come and talk say, as Jonah people take do for London yesterday, it no good at all. If Jonah go do speech, why the people not supposed to go and distract people for there? See the people who go do their speech yesterday, then they even ask them, waiting carry them, come here, they don't know. Which kind of people be this when we get choose when we not get mind of our own? If as a youth man you supposed to get mind of your own. If na Buhari you want, no say you want Buhari. If na Jonah you want, no say you want Jonah. But if you want Buhari, then give you money, you can't go to shout say Jonah. You know get mind of your own. I beg you're not supposed to do like that. Make them not spoil our Nigeria for us.
Thank you very much.
Let them be us for Obodo Nigeria.
Thank you very much. How they sound warning? She dey also they give advice. Say if person won't do him action, if person won't talk in talk, say make you allow him talk him. Not be to go out, come begin to talk say this or they talk say that. We go quick rush go another break. When we go this break, come back. I've been telling her from the start of the program, say our ogbonge guest, somebody when we saying they very very big where. If una see him, he go shock una. When we go this break, come back, we will continue the matter as it dey hot. Welcome back to Asiri Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times Channel 195. And this is the Ogbonge program. We give you license to talk up as they pay you for body. I tell you now when we start the program, say we get one Ogbonge visitor when they expect, and he don't come. I go clear my throat before I do introduction, make it not be like say August visitor come for the month of February. I can't give am water with no code. And the person when they inside studio, now person when me say, if you check in history, if you check in background, they come from where, then they strong where. In the picking of one strong woman inside the history of our country. Now she be the first woman to drive motor inside this Obodo, Nigeria. That one is history. And she na social crusader and a vanguard of the masses. That's to say, she dey carry the matter of the Nigerian people, ordinary people, on top of her head. I go stop and there. If I can introduce them as composer, songwriter, performer, that's now people when we say go stage, perform for 1 hour, 2 hours, run this whole country. No people when they say DJ track 2 or DJ track 3. I go like stop and there, but my conscience go judge me if I stop and here. He is the son of the late Afrobeat legend, Abamieda Fela Anikulapo Kuti. Who are they talk about? Are they talk about young man, a vanguard, social crusader, in a political analyst, in a man of many degrees and many characters, in a all-in-one, Seun Anikulapo Kuti.
I dey carry you go my next door to introduce me before every show.
No be bad thing.
Because if like say the guy they do, I don't know him work.
No be bad thing. I dey try. Una don't see who dey inside studio. If una look in picture where una go know say he resemble him papa and he go talk am as the team be am for body. First and foremost, what will they discuss? Make I shake your hand, make it not be like say.
Yes, many people say they quarrel.
Make it not be like say we dey quarrel. Yes, something happened yesterday for Chatham House. Oga Buhari, they invite him in, come talk am as he dey hot, as he take concern Nigeria. As he talk some kind of things, we don't check what he talk. But some people come out, they say they be pro Jonah, they shout up Jonah, down Buhari. Other people come out, they shout up Buhari, down Jonah. What do you reason about this matter?
Yeah, well, both parties represent themselves for the place. You know, that's politics. You know, the only thing women I know like for the matter be say, you know, say people say they pay some young people we know virtual bellyful to go for the place, go do protest. You know, for me, politicians they use young people in the wrong way. You know, because instead of just putting money in their pocket, they can't go disgrace themselves. They don't even know why they protest. It's better to just ideologize them, turn them to fanatic of the party. Tell them what they happen instead of putting money. Teach them, make them know what they happen about politics first.
But you don't think say na hunger, now you go make young man Because if you never belleful, why you want to teach am about your party now? If you never belleful.
But now you go make am at least when you go for the protest, now you know go there, go fuck up.
You go know wetin to talk.
You go know say, we are not pro Buhari because not be say go read the yarn and say, why are you here? Go say, I don't know why I'm here.
No, but you know say that I don't know why I'm here when they talk. You think say no be pain, they pain them for I say, not even ask me anyhow. I know why I'm here, but I don't want to tell you why I'm here.
No, the answer is say I'm not anti anybody. They just say we should come. The answer now.
Okay.
So me, I feel say for me, I believe that young people for Africa, not only Nigeria in general, we they more intelligent than that. And I believe say if they want to carry young people along into politics, don't just throw money at them. At least teach them, ideologize them, tell them about your party. Even though PDP manifesto is secret, so they don't show the young people the manifesto, but at least tell them what's inside. Essay, short version, make summary, give them.
Make Nigerians understand.
Make
I come ask you, you don't travel out where? You don't go so many. In fact, you don't touch every continent when they this world.
Yes.
You don't perform.
Except
you don't see
Antarctica and Arctic.
Except Antarctica and Arctic. But you go see reach there.
That place they cool.
You no matter. You go see reach there.
Now you go still announce me before that place. Now we go together. I don't tell you.
Together. But make I come ask you now. You don't see how, because for example, after you perform finish, maybe you dey stroll for street. You see say their road they where light day, water day. Shall you think say our own problem for this country na spiritual problem?
No, it's they even treat me pass for that one. We say after all those things like that, nobody they put in your own face and somebody they say, do this one. Now me then they put their, they just did it because their job. They have to do it.
They have to do it.
The funny thing is, say, if people they go London, where they go tell say for end of tax year for London, they say they just road with no spoil. Say Ministry of Works for UK, they go they break the road, they do it by force because the budget must be spent. So, even though no road to repair,
they must work. But for Nigeria, why?
The reason we say the people with the government for Nigeria, right from 1960, when not be pro people government,
all of them are pro pocket.
From the first republic, politicians, I believe in everybody get ulterior motive, and the division of the whole. You see, when people blame Nigerians, it's when you say spiritual, it has nothing to do with Nigeria. The real blame of Nigeria, I'll continue to say it, is a British problem. Because Nigeria not be African creation. You understand? Not be African man like you and me create this country. Not be our forefathers come together. One Hausa man, one Igbo man, one Efik man, one Ibibio man, all of them gather themselves together and say, let's form one country. No. Now European man, sit down for your house. Now you know the reason why. He conjure this kind,
set the formation.
Set down, come carry and give us. Come warn the people when you say, don't ever tell them, say, not be them get this thing, they hate the thing, say, it must work. No. United forever, that kind of thing. So then they make things hard for Nigeria, for anything to say. It's difficult for Nigeria make anybody come, and now one person must save the country.
Yes.
It's difficult for that one person to come from everywhere.
Not true.
So now, how does one person will come from maybe West now, say, okay, I come back, be president. Okay, I want to build something. Once you say, okay, you build something for East, in West, I'm going to say, you don't get sense. You don't go build something for East. Where your people there, If you build that for your people, the ones for North go say,
You don't they build for your people. Marginalization. No, but may I come ask you now, if people could check, so many countries for the world, and even for Africa especially, now creation of our colonial masters, that's people who ruled us before. But
now for Africa, mostly for Africa.
Things they work for some kind of places.
No place where we go through colonization. We still continue with that framework they work for the world today. I mean, even for Europe, countries that were forced into like which Second World War create, countries like Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, these countries they don't exist today. You understand? Because they understand. You understand? Oyibo understand. Even UK, as UK has been together since the Scottish, they still had a referendum last year whether they want to be independent from the whole United Kingdom brouhaha. So that is it. Oyibo, they understand that for a country to work, people must share common language, common culture, and a common identity. They understand those three things for their own societies. Any society, as soon as look at what happened in Chechnya. Look at Chechnya and Russia till today. What is happening there? Look at what happened in Yugoslavia. Eastern Ukraine, separatist movements, people must support. No, but that one is more political. But I mean, when it comes to fundamental things, like, when you see countries like Czechoslovakia, as I told you, how many countries come out from there?
You don't speak English. The thing enter your body.
But you know, say that we can't speak English problem.
English problem.
You know, say we can't use English analysis. They use this hand. The one that they speak English, the hand, not pidgin. The mouth is English.
But the hand are pidgin.
You see the hand, that's pidgin.
I bet just use the hand, they go, make with the... make everybody understand.
So now I believe, say, so for people to come, when it reach Africa matter now, that by force, we must continue with the framework where other people create for us. I'm not saying we cannot be one country, but when they give us constitution, if we work like that. America is a country of many nations. United States of America. But every state is so independent from the federal. Every state gets your own army, your own police, your own everything. President of Obama, no fit tell Texas, say this is what you must do. Then they give Texas allocation. Texas, they create your own wealth, create your own job, and they pay little tax to the center.
No, but we can't look the Nigeria own now.
Our own is now like America, but operating like England, which cannot work. Federal and republic at the same time. We are separate people, but we want to follow one idea. So it cannot work. You have to give all part of this country opportunity to, express themselves to their own cultural understanding. So that nobody go on claim superiority over anybody. Nobody go on. Even since independence, it has been a problem. Because you see, Ghana was the first country, the first country for Africa to gain independence. But the reason why Ghana gained independence before Nigeria was because the North was not ready. You see, in Nigeria, in Africa at that time, there were only 200 graduates in the whole of Africa. Out of those 200 graduates, 180 were from Nigeria and Ghana. So the West and the East were ready. We had the graduates to operate and be independent with some Oyibo head who were ready before Ghana. But at that time, the North only had, as at 1956, 0 graduates. As at 1960, they finally got the independence, 4 graduates. So you understand? So we had to wait already for them. So I'm not saying that they are the problem or anything. I'm not trying to. I know they discriminate. I'm just saying, say things like that. But if we're not there together like that, the North will have been able to find their own future at their own pace. The West will do it at their own pace. The East will have done it at their own pace. So that's so life for be. But for the fact that people impose and some of their boys where they still put where they give power. Real African man who feel power for Africa. If you're an African leader who you believe say, me I be your giddy. How do they talk that pidgin? Original African man. They must look for a way to block you. See Gaddafi.
I understand.
Patrice Lumumba.
No, I understand. I understand.
They make sure say they act plenty films. So the Africans still say Idi Amin na cannibal.
Yes.
Idi Amin when university we chop him before. They don't act film, write story. People don't talk.
Somehow.
All Africa believe say, oh, Idi Amin, you're a bad man.
Somehow.
So it must be.
Now, okay, we can look the present Nigeria situation. Now, March, whether we like him or not, March 28th and
must
April
vote.
11, he must reach.
Yes.
You understand? Out of the 6 weeks, 2 don't they complete now. He must reach. Now, but say, for the first time in the history of this country, from maybe when I was small, I never see where people gather like this from the east, from the west, or the north. Aside from 1993, they talk, say, this person will come from this part of this country. Somehow, I won't support them. I won't go ask whether we fit go forward from here. But before you answer that question, maybe we take Francis. Francis, they call us from Benin. Oga Francis, good morning, sir. Oga Francis, reduce the volume of your television, make I hear you well. Oga Francis.
Wait, now the thing they work, they come from Benin. It will take time before you reach Lagos.
Okay, now. Benin.
From Benin to Lagos.
Okay, but wait for now.
Wait for now small.
Oga Francis.
Speak louder now.
Oga Francis, will they hear you? Raise your voice. Somehow.
You see, when the voice come, you say speak louder. Because they take time. We need to Lagos. Now, Nigerian telecommunication should talk here.
But say, Oga Jonah don't build the road and every other thing. The thing don't they fast.
But that one, they no budget for them.
Okay, now work, Abi.
Why you talk that
I'm going to answer this question now. Now, if you check campaign rallies for different parts of this country, plenty people, they come out. They talk, say, okay, now this person wants. So I come like, say, Nigerians don't they shift from, say, this man are from this part. It like, Nigerians don't, they chopped up. They don't tire. Now this man they want. Before you answer that question, I'm going to take Ahmed from me now. I did sure say go fast. Oga Ahmed.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Ahmed. I hear you. I beg greet our Ogbonge visitor inside studio.
Oga Ahmed, I hear you.
I talk about Chukma small.
I beg Chukma inside the matter.
If you know go campaign for London, in case you want to tackle corruption for Nigeria, why Fayose can't carry all this student order for London? May they go spoil Buhari this campaign.
Okay, Ahmed, now you call him name. Oh, I don't know whether na Fayose. Oh, although they talk say some people now he talk, but as you call Fayose, he be like say now you call him name. But I beg answer this question. He should not say that we don't reach that time for this country when we say somehow whether we come from a different language we speak or come from different places, it don't reach that time for Nigerians don't ready. I don't know.
Yes,
transformation change. I know.
You see, the thing about is now the problem that they say the media handlers of our Oga Jonah, where they get be that. Because for over 20 years, the young people for Nigeria no get interest for politics. They don't do anything. Anything with the people like that they do, they get away with anything they like, you know. But towards the end of Obasanjo tenure, we don't understand that this is democracy. And you understand, say people don't know, say the democracy of the 60s and the 80s, not the democracy of this time. Mm-hmm. This generation is the most educated generation that Africa has ever had. And education not be just whether you go university. Not be university information, education. Enlightenment. Exactly. I believe you. You know, before now, only few people, they fit afford newspaper, they get TV for their house. Mm-hmm. Now, China man don't make TV. Everybody get TV. Everybody get. Everybody watch Wazobia TV. So this is the most educated and so it is difficult. So our government for Africa, they need to step up their game. They can't use 1960 method and framework to use to solve 21st century. So when young people today are talking on social media, they protest for street, not be say we hate anybody or we get anything against anybody, but we know what is due to us. And when they talk about see the hot. Make it they drop like hot yam. You know, you get one time when I been see you, that subsidy protest, you go like, it be like you sit down for one dustbin area. As in, the thing pay you for body, you just they talk, they vex. You they talk calm as the thing pay you for body. Now, I want to ask you, you go there Nigeria March 28th now, I believe. Yes, I go there. I know they travel, but I believe you go there. If they tell you now, I don't want to ask you, not be say they ask you now, I know who you go vote for. That I hope say you go vote. I no go vote. Why I talk true? Why you no go? Well, because, you know, as I say, you know, for me, politics don't become advanced level. Me, I won't make we young people gather ourselves together now, create our own platform. For me, I go participate for politics with my franchise. That you won't get your own political party. It must not be my own, but we plenty now. We are young people. We are 35% of this country. You know, we are a big demographic. So you go like become president? Why we not get our own party? I'll not be once I be president, but we'll get young person, we get new idea, where they see the world, we connect directly to young people like you and I will say, what thing go they talk for in campaign? No good day about people. No good day, not be say young people, but no good day about I will give you road, I will bring you water, I want to fight corruption. You see, this one, when people say all these kind of things for me, these are things supposed don't stop. They're supposed to talk for last millennium. No, last millennium. You see, the new millennium is about opportunities. Moving forward. And not be fake opportunity. Opportunity we say, na chance to extract. You know, when I give you an analogy, people call them analogy. I hear you. Analogy of say, when you look billionaires for Europe and America, Bill Gates. Warren Buffett. Carlos Slim. When you know, there is that one too now like African billionaire. I say for Europe and America, you know, these ones. Not be that Carlos Slim, a bad guy from Mexico. You see all these kind of billionaires, once you mention their name, straight your mind goes go for what they create, where they add to their society, where bring their money. Now the kind of billionaires where the ways they get with that, creators, people where they create things, where they generate cash. Our own for all this side, now people where they take cash direct from your pocket, 90 billionaire. Call they pop. They organize big things. Take their hand like this. I remember when they first said they want to deregulate diesel. Now only few of us understand. Waiting deregulation mean? Now strong word though. Bad word. Not be strong word, now bad word. They can't deceive people. Especially for country where no get refinery. You see, now country where get refinery, they deregulate. Thank you. When you get refinery, when you get local production, where it reach. It be like say you go come back again to come talk this way because you give me special segments. I go give you. You don't enter lecturer mode, but me I can't ask you now. You don't talk your mind. Say somehow because the way things they move now,
Now youth movements.
When they take my picture with
now
this guy,
youth movements. Now you want to. Now I can ask you one quick question. If you look Nigerian people for eye now, young people, when don't decide say okay, March 28th, we'll start from somewhere. What till you go tell them?
I go tell them say vote according to your
Look them for eye.
Vote according to your conscience, according to your heart. Look your country and see say okay, this is not my own input. You see, me, I don't sacrifice plenty for Nigerian politics. My job, career, reputation, everything, they put them on the line. So our own sacrifice now is that, okay, we want to vote according to our conscience, according to what we believe is right. Not according to pressure, fear, intimidation, money. You know, pressure, money and pressure, you know, because poverty, you see, Oyibo, they pressure their people with credit. Poverty and pressure, because they don't say when you are poor, you cannot make the right decision. But at the same time, you can make the right decision if you decide to sacrifice. That is a word that is not used in Africa a lot. Because Oyibo religion says sacrifice is bad. I
want you give us your word, say you go come back again.
I go come back.
So, but when we invite you again, you go come back.
Today, I for make them on time. APC people, they march for 3rd Mainland Bridge. It causes more traffic.
But I believe you say you go come back again.
For days,
yes. Our people went there for us. Remember what they always talk. Nigeria and our country, it not go spoil. Nigeria not be anybody, papa, personal estate.
No.
I don't hear from our own guests. At all. I don't hear from our own guests. Seun Anikulakpo Kuti, Pekin of Fela Anikulakpo Kuti.
Fentola Anikulakpo.
Your mama do plenty work.
No chauvinist.
No, I must talk about Fentola and Fela Anikulakpo Kuti. Una don't see as e be. Young people, they talk as e dey hot, and we they talk to move this country forward. Until we come back next week. Remember, say we get election special from the 2nd of March to the 26th, and everything we're going to talk now issue based. As it take consigned talk, we know they talk say this one don't hold, this one no get certificate, this one no one come debate, this one they drink ogogoro. Now issue based, now we go discuss. Until we come back next week. Now as it dey hot. Thank you very much for coming on top of it.
My pleasure.
As it dey hot. Nice one.